Okay, guys, we're here. Well, you can head home. I would at least like to make sure no more trash.
I said, well, pretty sure there ain't gonna be no school tomorrow or today.
Yeah, definitely no school. No school room.
Yeah,
Over here, there's only
it's drying up over here now some. But see, down the road, it's still fucking.
You piss in that son of a bitch down there. Flood.
Hey, Daryl. Hey, it is going down, see?
Yeah, it's going down quite a bit.
Never mind. I'm walking down this way a minute.
I can't hear from over here.
Well, that's good. That's what I said. Never mind. I'm taking my phone and I'm going this way.
Hey, guys.
As you can tell, this is the road. It's fine. It's going down some. Huh?
I don't see no more lumber down that way, so I ain't gonna worry about it.
I didn't run over any down that way.
You was out driving in this?
Yeah. I actually got stuck right here in my van. And I got her started again. I got stuck up here at the stop sign. She started crying. And I said, nah, I ain't having this, because I seen that water coming up, you know. So what I did was I pumped my gas and put my other foot on my brake while I started her back up. And then I just took off and kept stomping on that gas pedal. I said, I ain't getting stuck out here.
No.
Well, it don't now because it's going down, finally.
Well, one thing about it, just thank goodness that Craig got rid of all of this fucking wood before this
That's
shit.
a bad thing. I wish no school.
I'm pretty sure there's not going to be any school.
Oh, crap.
Oh, there's that.
Yeah, Rexo.
Yeah. Daryl.
Rexo.
There's Rexo there.
I'm probably gonna watch that.
That sucks.
Good luck.
It's still flooded through here,
Good luck.
but it's
Daryl,
drying.
get over here.
But it's drying down there.
That's what I was doing.
And I'm not jumping out there to. Ow.
Here, give me it. I got it.
As you see, there are people actually driving in this,
Which is really absolutely retarded.
but it's not as deep as when we drove through it.
Well, I guess for some reason, in some people's book, we're retarded. It's not our fault that we didn't know that rain was gonna come and have us stuck there for at least 30 freaking minutes. Holy crap! It's still over flooded Clays Creek. Whoa! I'm probably gonna go show them Clays Creek.
Well, now at least I don't have to worry about you getting swept away.
Yeah. Ha ha! Ain't sweeping me up. And yes, guys, my shoes are completely soaked. We got stuck. Oh, well. Well, at least it wasn't gonna sweep him down that far.
Oh, I know it. It flooded it out.
We-
My van stalled right there. And then I got up in the stop sign.
Hey.
What I did was I put stomped on that, stepped on that gas.
What is making this so hot?
No, not now. I wasted 20 years for picking up emergency here.
I wonder if they actually picked up my call and then I hung up as soon as they answered.
Probably not.
I'd probably have to call him at least 15 times. I'm gonna go take a pic. I'm gonna go and show it to. I'm gonna show him to Clay's Creek.
What?
How it's flooded. Don't worry, guys. Well, this creek is ruined for me. See, it's rising up a bit, you guys. Over here, I'm getting soaked. Moonlight. Moonlight, take the moonlight. In the moonlight. Oh yeah, there is a ditch here, guys. So that's why I'm being very, very slow. What the? Okay. Ugh. Well, I guess that's all the trash. Here you go, Ayana. Take the phone.
Okay, got it. Hey, someone, look! There's a piece of sign over there.
I told the mayor, I said, you guys are going to have to do something about this.
I know.
I said, it ain't going to take care of it.
Hurry up and get out of the road.
I thought something bit
All
me.
you got to do is stop and think. Dirt over there is above the top of the pole. So that didn't need dug out.
Oh, well, that's too much work.
I'm the mayor. It's too much work. It's too much work
That-
for me.
Yeah. Well, that would take too much off the beer money that he's using for the taxpayers.
I'll put a stop to that.
Because I don't know if you were in Piedmont or if you've heard the news of Piedmont, but
Yeah, I heard he's
he's a
he'll go on
freaking
bench
alcoholic.
for 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, and he actually ran into a building and got away with it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that.
It used to be called Black Hills Gold building, and they turned them into apartments right there by the Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
He ran into that building
And he was able to get
drunk.
away with it. He was able to get away with it.
Yeah, they
That's
keep
bullcrap.
they keep re-electing the mayors that are worthless.
That'll change. As long as I'm around here, that shit won't go on.
Yeah, because I mean,
You either do what you're paid to do, or get out.
yeah, and he don't do what he's supposed to do. I've got the worst part is, I know he knows.
That there looks
He
like
said
Paul.
that's all county.
What
Yeah,
is it?
on that side here.
Oh,
How
yeah.
long would it take you
Bring it over.
to get a backhoe or a skid steer down here and run down through there real quick?
Oh no! It's not supposed to be county. Because you remember when Charlie Mize was alive? Hey, when Charlie Mize was alive, because him and his wife owned the trailer park just right there by where we live at.
Yeah.
When he was alive, they fined him because they claimed his trailer was in city limits and he hadn't mowed the grass. But yet, and then if you want a cop, they'll say this is city limits and they can come out here.
Yeah.
But if you want one to come to our house, oh, that's automatically county.
Yeah.
But if the cops are wanting to bitch at you for feeding cats in town,
You kidding me?
they'll come out here and fine.
I was about to go over there and show them guys something.
They use it to their advantage.
Because that's what I do every night.
I
go to
hate
town
pigs.
And I feed cats in town.
I hate
I
seeing
get in
pins.
trouble, and I got banned from a public street.
Elm Street.
I got banned from Elm Street by the cops. That's what the ban
You
sounds
know,
like.
they can't enforce that.
Don't worry, guys. There it is, guys. I'm gonna show my finger in. I have no clue what's in there, but I do not want to feel it again. Oh, this water is not helping my urge. Why are people really wanting to pull in over there?
Because I go up to the beach store and see the cats there, and he goes, well, you know they keep protesting. Well, wait, it's a business. This is a social guy. And I'm not
Whoa.
Clearwater State.
Feel the load deck.
I got on the review thing and was bitching about it.
You ain't even dragging me, water. See, I'm raining you, water.
Yeah, and they don't like it when they get caught.
No?
Hi, I found something over here in his yard. It's like this whirlpool. This whirlpool right here.
Oh, that's where the pipe's at.
Oh,
That's the drainage pipe that goes underneath the road. See where it's bubbling up right there?
yeah.
That's the end of it.
Huh. Welcome. Is that my shoe? So you guys look at this. This pickle. Huh?
I want to go get a cigarette. I can't leave you guys out here.
Yeah, I could.
Dad wants to change his clothes. After Ariana flushed him to fall down and go boating. I'm walking the water over there. Huh?
I'd like to come back. I'd like to come back and show the viewers more.
Hey, Daryl,
Huh?
the good thing is the water is actually going down. The bad news is it looks like it quit thundering and lightning. Well, we gotta keep an eye on it. What the fuck is that smell?
Onions?
No.
Copperhead?
No, I don't smoke cucumbers. If I smelled cucumbers, I'd know what that is. No, it's a real bad sour. Like,
Skunk?
no.
Even this water right here still.
I don't think there's gonna be school today. Please zip the lip, dog. Okay, guys, we'll be back and to show you more. Bye. Change your plans, guys. We'll be going to the other creek.